Hi students, this is for class 7 subject mathematics chapter 4 rational numbers topic operations on rational numbers. In this chapter we are going to learn about addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers and exercise problems. Now we are going to see addition of rational numbers. Case 1. When the denominators are same. Let's see the example. See here, pizza is a great example of rational number. Each piece represents a part of a whole. In this picture, pizza is divided into 8 equal parts. You take one piece from the whole pizza. Also, your friend take 2 pieces from the pizza. Totally how many pieces both of you took? Whenever we add or subtract the rational number, we have to get the same denominator. In this example, we can see the same denominator. Here, whole part is denominator. Here, whole part is 8. Here, first you take one piece, that is numerator, and also your friend take 2 pieces, that also another numerator. Now, we have to add it. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 8. This is the example of denominators are same. Let's see when the denominators are same. Let's see the example 8. First question, minus 3 by 15 plus 8 by 15. Here given two rational numbers. So now we have to find out the answer. The first step, check the denominators. Whenever we add or subtract the rational number, we have to get the same denominator. In this example, we can see the same denominator 15. The second step, we just add numerator over denominator. So we get minus 3 by 15 plus 8 by 15 which is equal to minus 3 plus 8 by 15. Now check the sign here, different sign. Different sign means subtract and replace the greater number sign. 8 minus 3, 5. Here 8 is the greater number, that sign positive. So we get 5 by 15. Third step, reduce it to lowest term. The common factor of 5 and 15 is 5. So take 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. So we get 1 by 3. The final answer is 1 by 3. See here, case 2. When the denominators are different. Here consider two circles. The first circle is divided into 11 equal parts. Here one part only colored. And the second circle is divided into 3 equal parts. Here 2 parts only colored. So now compare the fourth picture. The first picture is divided into 11 equal parts. The second picture is divided into 3 equal parts. So here totally first picture is 11 parts, that is denominator. The second picture is 3 parts, that is here 3 is the denominator. So compare the both denominator. Here denominators are different. This is the example of denominators are different. Let's see case 2 when the denominators are different. Example 9. First question, minus 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. Let us find the solution. In first step, check the denominators. Here denominators are different, 10, 15. In first step, we have to get the same denominator. So need to find LCM. LCM of 10, 15 is, take division method, 10, 15 on dividing by 5. We get 2, 3. On dividing by 3, we get 2, 1. On dividing by 2, we get 1, 1. Therefore, LCM of 10, 15 is 5 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Here LCM is 30. The first rational number minus 3 by 10. Denominators multiple by 3 and keep the rational number equivalent. We also have to multiply the numerator by 3. On multiplying by 3, minus 3 into 3, we get minus 9. 10 3s are 30. So we get minus 9 by 30. The second rational number is 7 by 15. Denominator multiple by 2 and keep the rational number equivalent. We also have to multiply the numerator by 2. 7 2s are 14, 15 2s are 30. Now we can add the values. Minus 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. Substitute the value. Minus 9 by 30 plus 14 by 30. The second step, we can add the values. Minus 9 plus 14 by, take 30 as common. In this expression, minus 9 plus 14 by 30. Here, different signs, subtract and place the greater number sign. 14 minus 9, 5. Here 14 is the greater number, that sign positive. So we get 5 by 30. The third step, reduce to lowest term. Common factor of 5 and 30 is 5. So take 5 table. 1 5s are 5. 6 5s are 30. The final answer is 1 by 6. Let's see subtraction of rational numbers. Case 1. When the denominators are the same. Look at picture. Here consider circle. The circle divided into 12 equal parts. First we colored only 7 parts in the circle and then erase 2 parts from colored parts. Now remaining how many parts colored? See here, totally here 12 parts. 12 is a denominator. First we colored 7 parts only. Then 2 parts erase it. So here same denominator. So 7 minus 2, 5. So we get 5 by 12. Here remaining colored parts 5. This one is the example of same denominators of subtraction of rational numbers. Let's see exercise 4.3. First Roman, find the sum or difference. First question, 9 by 13 minus 4 by 13. Here sum means addition, difference means subtraction. The first question, subtraction. Let us find the solution. The first step, check the denominators. Here same denominators. The second step, we just subtract numerator over denominator. So we get 9 minus 4 by 13. Here both sign in between hide a multiplication sign. So minus into minus plus. Here sign change. So we get 9 by 13 minus 4 by 13, which is equal to 9 plus 4 by 13. Now we can add the values. 9 plus 4, 13 by 13. The third step, reduce to lowest term. Cancel 13, 13, we get 1. The final answer is 1. Let's see second problem. 3 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Let us find the solution. Here given two rational numbers. The first rational number is mixed fraction. First we have to convert into improper fraction. So here 3 is whole number, 1 is numerator, 4 is denominator. Here use improper fraction format. Whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. So 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4. We get 13 by 4 plus 3 by 4. The first step, check the denominators. We get the same denominator. So we have to move to second step. The second step is we just add numerator over denominator. We get 13 plus 3 by 4. A same sign. So we have to add it. 13 plus 3, 16. We get 16 by 4. The third step, reduce it to lowest term. Common factor of 4 and 16 is 4. Take 4 table. 4s are 4. 4 4s are 16. We get 4. The final answer is 4. Let's see. Fourth problem, minus 14 by 15 plus 0. Here, we know the rules. Any rational number adding with 0, we get same number only. Let us find the solution. Minus 14 by 15 plus 0, we get minus 14 by 15. Let's see, add the given pairs of rational numbers. The first one, 7 by 13 minus 9 by 13. Here given pair. Let us find the solution. 7 by 13 comma minus 9 by 13, which is equal to 7 by 13 plus minus 9 by 13. Plus into minus minus. So we get 7 by 13 minus 9 by 13. Here same denominators. So we get 7 minus 9 by 13. Here different sign. Different sign means subtract and replace the greater number sign. 9 minus 7, 2. Here 9 is a greater number. That sign negative. We get minus 2 by 13. Let's see fifth problem, 8 by minus 15 and 6 by 10. Let us find the solution. Now we can add the rational numbers. Minus 8 by 15 plus 6 by 10. The first step, check the denominators. Here denominators are different. So we need to find LCM. LCM of 15 and 10 is, let's take 15 and 10. On dividing by 5, we get 3 comma 2. That is 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. On dividing by 3, we get 1 comma 2. On dividing by 2, we get 1 comma 1. LCM of 15 and 10 is 5 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 30. LCM equal to 30. The first rational number minus 8 by 15. On multiplying by 2, minus 8 2s are 16, minus 16, 15 2s are 30. We get minus 16 by 30. The second rational number 6 by 10. On multiplying by 3, 6 3s are 18, 10 3s are 30. We get 18 by 30. Now substitute the values and we can add it. Minus 8 by 15 plus 6 by 10, which is equal to minus 16 by 30 plus 18 by 30. The expression is minus 16 plus 18 by 30. Take 30 as common. Here different sign. Different sign means subtract and replace the greater number sign. We get 2 by 30. Third step, reduce it to lower term. Take 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 15 2s are 30. We get 1 by 15. The final answer is 1 by 15. Let's see example 10. Second question, 4 by 9 minus 5 by 9. This is subtraction. The first step, check the denominators. Same denominators. Then we just subtract numerator over denominator. We get 4 minus 5 by 9. Here minus into minus plus. Both sign in between hide a multiplication sign. So we get positive sign. 4 plus 5 by 9. We can add it. 4 plus 5, 9. We get 9 by 9. Now cancel it. We get 1. The answer is 1. Let's see third Roman. Subtract. First question, 3 by 7 minus 8 by 7. Let us find the solution. 3 by 7 minus 8 by 7. Same denominators. So we get 3 minus 8 by 7. Different sign. Subtract and replace the greater number sign. We get minus 5 by 7. Let's see third one. 4 by 12 minus 6 by 9. Let us find the solution. 4 by 12 minus 6 by 9. Here different denominator. So we need to find LCM. LCM means least common multiple. LCM of 12, 9 is on dividing by 3. We get 4, 3. That means 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again on dividing by 3. So write down 4. 1 3 is 3. On dividing by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1. We get 2, 1. On dividing by 2. 1 2 is 2. We get 1, 1. Therefore 3 into 2 into 2 which is equal to, we get 36. The first rational number is 4 by 12. On multiplying by 3, numerator also. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. We get 12 by 36. The second rational number is minus 6 by 9. On multiplying by 4, minus 6 4s are minus 24. 9 4s are 36. We get minus 24 by 36. Now substitute the value. We get 4 by 12 minus 6 by 9 which is equal to 12 by 36 minus 24 by 36. Here both negative sign. Both sign in between hide a multiplication sign. So now we want to multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus. Here 12 plus 24 by 36. Now we can add the values. 12 plus 24. We get 36. The expression is 36 by 36. Now cancel it. We get 1. The answer is 1. Let's see fourth one. Evaluate. Third question, minus 12 by 5 minus 4 by 10 plus 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. Let us find the solution. This one same as addition or subtraction, but here given more than 2 rational numbers. As usual, we have to follow the same steps. Here different denominator. So we need to find LCM. LCM of 5, 10, 4, 2 is LCM of 5, 10, 4, 2. On dividing by 2, we get 5, 2, 1. That means 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2. Again I am dividing by 2. We get 5 comma 5 comma 1 comma 1. On dividing by 5, we get 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Therefore, LCM of 5 comma 10 comma 4 comma 2 is 2 into 2 into 5. We get 20. The first rational number is minus 12 by 5. On multiplying by 4, minus 12 fours are minus 48. 5 fours are 20. We get minus 48 by 20. The second rational number is minus 4 by 10. On multiplying by 2, minus 4 twos are minus 8 by 10 twos are 20. We get minus 8 by 20. The third rational number is 3 by 4. On multiplying by 5, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. We get 15 by 20. The fourth rational number is minus 1 by 2. On multiplying by 10, minus 1 in 10s are minus 10, 2 10s are 20. We get minus 10 by 20. Minus 12 by 5 minus 4 by 10 plus 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. Now substitute the value. Minus 48 by 20 minus 8 by 20 plus 15 by 20 plus minus 10 by 20. We get minus 48 plus 8 plus 15 minus 10 by, take 20 as common. We get minus 48 plus 8 plus 15 minus 10 by 20. We can add same sign of values first. Minus 48 minus 10, we get minus 58. 8 plus 15, 23. So we get minus 58 plus 23 by 20. Here different sign. Subtract and place the greater number sign. 58 minus 23, we get 35. Here 58 is greater number, that sign minus, we get minus 35 by 20. Reduce it to lowest term. Take 5 table. 4 20. 7 5s are 35. We get minus 7 by 4. This one improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. So minus 7 by 4. We get minus 1 3 by 4. Let's see fifth one, simplify. Second question, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Let us find the solution. Here different denominators. So we need to find LCM. LCM of 3, 4, 5, 2 is, on dividing by 3, we get 1, 4, 5, 2. That is 1 3 is 3. So we get 1, 4, 5, 2. On dividing by 5, we get 1, 4, 1, 2. On dividing by 2, 1, 2 2s are 4. So 2, 1, 1 2 is 2. So we get 1, 2, 1, 1. On dividing by 2, we get 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 3 into 5 into 2 into 2, which is equal to, we get 60. LCM is 60. The first rational number is 2 by 3. On multiplying by 20, 2 20s are 40 by 3 20s are 60. We get 40 by 60. The second rational number is 1 by 4. On multiplying by 15, 1 15s are 15, 4 15s are 60. The third rational number is 2 by 5. On multiplying by 12, 2 12s are 24, 5 12s are 60. The fourth rational number is 1 by 2. On multiplying by 30, 1 30s are 30, 2 30s are 60. We get 30 by 60. Now substitute the values. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 40 by 60 minus 15 by 60 plus 24 by 60 minus 30 by 60. We get 40 minus 15 plus 24 minus 30 by 60. Now add the values. 40 plus 24 minus 15 minus 30. We get minus 45. We get 64 minus 45 by 60. So different sign. Subtract and replace the greater number sign. We get 19 by 60. Let's see 8th Roman. Find the value of x in each of the following. Second question, 4 by 15 plus x is equal to 17 by 30. Let us find the solution. Here find x value. 4 by 15 plus x equal to 17 by 30. So x equal to 17 by 30 minus 4 by 15. 4 by 15 transpose to RHS. Left hand side positive, transpose to right hand side negative. So x equal to 17 by 30 minus 4 by 15. Now check the denominators. Denominators are different. So we need to find LCM. LCM of 30 and 15 is 30 and 15. On dividing by 5, we get 6 comma 3. That is 6 5s are 30, 3 5s are 15. Take 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3. Take 2, 1 2 is 2, 1. That is 5 into 3 into 2, which is equal to, we get 30. LCM is 30. The first rational number is 17 by 30 on multiplying by 1. 17 ones are 17, 30 ones are 30. We get 17 by 30. The second rational number is 4 by 15 on multiplying by 2. 4 2s are 8, 15 2s are 30. Now substitute the values. X equal to 17 by 30 minus 4 by 15. Therefore, x equal to 17 by 30 minus 8 by 30. Now subtract the values because here same denominators. X equal to 17 minus 8 by 30. 17 minus 8, 9. So x equal to 9 by 30. Now reduce this to lowest term. Take 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 10 3s are 30. So x equal to 3 by 10. The value of x equal to 3 by 10. Let's see 9th problem. What should be added to minus 14 by 18 to get 5 by 9? Let us find the solution. First we should know the question meaning. Here one rational number added to minus 14 by 18. That rational number we don't know. So we have to find that value. Let x be the unknown value. Now substitute the value. Minus 14 by 18 plus x, which is equal to 5 by 9. Therefore x equal to 5 by 9 plus 14 by 18. Minus 14 by 18 transpose to RHS, getting plus 14 by 18. So now check the denominators. Denominators are different. Now take the LCM. LCM of 9 and 18 is 9 and 18s. On dividing by 3, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. We get 3 comma 6. And on dividing by 3, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. On dividing by 2, 1 2 is 2. Therefore, 3 into 2, which is equal to 18. LCM is 18. The first rational number 5 by 9 on multiplying by 2. 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18. We get 10 by 18. The second rational number is 14 by 18 on multiplying by 1. 14 ones are 14, 18 ones are 18. We get 14 by 18. Now substitute the value x equal to 5 by 9 plus 14 by 18. X equal to 10 by 18 plus 14 by 18. Now we get x equal to 10 plus 14 by, take 18 as common. So now we can add the value x equal to 10 plus 14, 24. So we get 24 by 18. Now cancel the common factor. Take 6 table. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. Therefore x equal to 4 by 3. Now this is improper fraction. Convert into mixed one. 4 by 3. 1 3 is 3. Remaining 1. So we get 1 by 3. The value of x equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is added to minus 14 by 18 to get 5 by 9. Thank you, students.